Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today I'm going to be showing you 10 really easy and really cute hairstyles to wear with your mini twist. Two things before I get started. One, yes, this is going to be 10 individual hairstyles because I think if you turn the ponytail into a bun, it is not a new hairstyle and that's cheating. Two, there is no tutorial on this set of mini twists, but I will be doing a set immediately after this because I will be washing my hair today and I will be sure to make a tutorial on that one. But with all that out of the way, let's get started, guys. Okay guys, so there you go, 10 hairstyles to rock your mini twist. And then of course the finale, the ultimate twist out. Mini twist outs are just on a whole nother level than a regular twist out. I don't know, cause you don't have to separate them, you don't have to fluff them. Like, I just took this down, I didn't fluff it at all, I did not pick it at all. All I did was take it down and shake it out a little bit and look at these results. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found these hairstyles to be cute and fun. Please let me know if you're gonna give them a try. Please be sure to subscribe on your way out. It would really mean a lot to me. And thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video where I'll show you how I did my mini twist.